Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Max Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.1 first sum. Let's see the question. Find the distance between the following pair of points. So they have asked us to find the distance between the 2 points. So we have a distance formula d equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Yeah, from the first question it's given as 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. Just write always for a coordinates in a graph. We know that we will write x and y. Same way it is just a x comma y, but we are taking 2 points, so you will have a confusion. So I am going to take the first one as x1 y1, second one as x2 y2. Just substitute in the formula. They ask for distance formula, so d equal to root of x2 minus x1, so 4 comma 2 the whole square, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 1 minus 3 the whole square. Here you need to be careful with the sign. Usually you will go wrong with the sign. Now root of this becomes 4 minus 2 will become 2 square. Here it will become minus 2 the whole square. This becomes 4, 2 square is 4, plus leave off the minus because everything will be plus of the even power. So here is also it is plus. 4 plus 4 will be root 8. We need to do prime factorization and take root out. No need of long division, just take a prime factorization. To 4s are, to 2s are. If there is 2, 2, take 1 2 outside, so this becomes 2 root 2. So distance for the first sum is 2 root 2. We'll move on with the second one. The second one is given as minus 5 comma 7 minus 1 comma 3. Here it is x1 y1, here x2 y2. As I have written the distance formula first, I'll just substitute the value for the second one. It is just root of d equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square. So minus 1. If the second one you have some negative sign, write it to be plus. Minus of minus will become plus. For every second number, change the sign. If it's minus is given, just write the plus. If plus is given, write it as minus. Plus here 3, here plus is given, so I am write it as minus. This is a fast way of writing the numbers because there is a minus in between. So if plus is given, write it as a minus. If minus is given, write it to be a plus. Now this becomes root of 5 minus 1 will become 4 square here plus minus 4 the whole square. Now this becomes, for 4s are 16 plus for 4s are 16 becomes root 32. Take prime factorization. 2 1s are 6 are 2, 8s are 2, 4s are 2, 2s are. For 2 2 it will come outside as 1 2. For next 2 it will come, next set it will come as 1 2. So there is no pair. Leave it off. 2 2s are 4. So 4 root 2 is for the second one. We'll move on to the third one. The third one, the question is a comma b. For the second one it is minus a comma minus b. This will be my x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. We know the d formula to be x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here x2 is minus a, so minus a, here is also minus a. Because of plus I am just writing minus whole square plus here minus b. There is also, we need to take it as minus b the whole square. Now add it, as it is minus minus we need to add will be, you will get, we need to add the coefficient. The coefficient is 1 1, so you get 2a minus 2a of the greater number sign the whole square. Similarly here also 2 minus means we need to add the coefficient, which is 1 plus 1 will become 2 with the greater number sign of minus. with the whole square root. Now minus into minus will become plus, so leave it off the minus. Just 2 square will be 4a square. You need to square both the 2 as well as the a. Write it as whole square. Some will make a mistake of writing just b square. No, it becomes 4a square 4b square. We can take 4 common outside. It becomes a square plus b square root. We can take the root 4 outside. Root 4 is nothing but 2, so 2 will come outside. So 2 root. As it is plus in between, we can't cut the square and the root. No, if it is only whole square, we can cancel the root and the square. But for plus minus in between, no cancellation of the square and the root. This is the final answer for the third sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.